So you're thinking of moving to Irvine, California. In this video, we're going to show you around Irvine, California. We're going to take you through some of the neighborhoods. We're going to show you different homes, different price points. Right now we're in Orchard Hills, and you're going to be able to see some of the best kept secrets in Irvine, California. But you have to wait till the end of the video. We're going to get on it right now. Hi, if this is the first time to our channel, you want to know everything about living in Irvine, California, subscribe below, and that way we'll notify you with a bell. You can be the first to know about the current market in Irvine, California. Hi, it's Bruce Clark with Coldwell Banker. We get calls every day from people that are looking to move to Irvine, California, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, send us a smoke signal, we don't care. Get a hold of us. We can help you make a smooth move to Irvine, California. As I mentioned, we're in Irvine, California. So Irvine, California is one of the safest cities in America. We're in Orchard Hills right now. There are so many things to do. We've taken you through some of the homes in Orchard Hills. We're gonna be taking you through Orchard Hills. The homes are between 3 and 5 years old. There are some newer homes. Right now we're in the Orchard Hills Shopping Center. One of my favorite stores is right there. It's Pavilions. Oh my goodness, what a bakery. Phenomenal. Inside they have a Starbucks, and they've got amazing wine selection, should you like wine. But just an amazing bakery. I get my wife's chocolate cakes there. So they also have nice restaurants. They have Zav's, which is a very nice Mediterranean restaurant. They have a lot of various Asian cuisines. They have some Mexican restaurants. So lots of things. There's an optometry store. There's a emergency. I think it's a Hogue. And there's a Montessori school, there's a McDonald's, there's a Chevron. There's all kinds of things here. And this is all right outside the gates of Orchard Hills. So come with us, follow us. Again, don't forget to subscribe. You'll be notified when we make our other videos. We're gonna take you by 3 different homes in Orchard Hills, between 1.7 million to 6 million. So we've got a full range of detached condos to larger production homes. These are not custom homes here. We do have custom homes. We have a channel, we have a video about some custom homes. Certainly, again, subscribe and we'll notify you when we make videos about that. But these homes are anywhere between 2,100 to approximately 6,500 square feet. HOA 298. You know, on a condo, an attached townhouse, you've got a separate HOA, so you can be another 250. You've also got Melrose, which is an infrastructure improvement bond. That's when they add the schools. They also add roads. They also add emergency services such as fire and police. So there's lots of things to know before you move to Orchard Hills in Irvine, California. So we're at our first property. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's 2,087 square feet. Priced at $1.599 million. It's in the Vivo area, that Vivo community here in the neighborhood of Orchard Hills. Built in 2019, so it's only 3 years old. Detached condo, so you have a little backyard. Again, it's in Orchard Hills. You're close to so many things. As far as shopping and entertainment, you've got the Spectrum, which is south. North you can go. You've got the Tustin Marketplace, the Tustin District. You've got tons of things. And really cool supermarket here, Vons, which has an amazing array of cheeses and meats and wines. It really is some amazing stuff. Community, as far as community, lots of pools. You have playgrounds. You have a lot of stuff. You have tennis courts. You have basketball courts. There is a lot to do in Orchard Hills. Again, it's a Vivo. Irvine Pacific's the builder, built in 2019, so again, they're newer. You have a 2-car garage. Not a lot of street parking here. We'll go out, we'll take a look. One of the nice things about Orchard Hills, you can see hills. A lot of great hiking here too. If you're into outdoors, you're gonna love Irvine. Price per square foot is $766 a square foot. So in Irvine, we're going from, again, this is a 3-year-old community. So you're looking at $750 to over $1,000 a square foot. Let's go see property number 2. Here we are, property number 2. Now we're in the Varenna tract. It's built by Pointe. Home's almost 2,200 square feet. It is on the market for almost $2.2 million, so $808 a square foot. So it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths.
Wow.
And the HOA here is $298 a month. And all the homes here in Orchard Hills have something called Mellow Roofs. What that is an infrastructure bond. So you pay for some new schools, new roads. They have to pave all this, and they've done all this stuff. So that's very common here in Irvine when new homes are built. Portola Springs, Hidden Canyon, they all have Mellow Roofs. So let's take a walk. There are a lot of great amenities. You've got pools, you've got community parks, you've got playgrounds. You're close to a lot of shopping. There's a lot of restaurants. A lot of good restaurants. More and more open. So let's take a little walk around. It's a beautiful California day. A little muggy this morning, but came out nice. It's Trash Monday, so trash trucks out. They've gone green. They're natural gas powered. So let's take a walk over here. Turn around there. So okay, just around the corner is a park. Oh, and you're right by the 261 freeway. So the joke is that anywhere in Irvine, you're going to hear the quote-unquote Irvine Ocean. So you can hear some road traffic, some road noise. It's very common here in Irvine. Take a walk around, just around the corner from this nice park. So this is a furlong park in Varenna, over in Orchard Hills. We're in the reserve in Orchard Hills. The builder of the home we just walked by, in fact, this entire development here in Varenna is Pointe. They have some beautiful homes over here. So we have a nice park. You have a barbecue. You can have a nice little picnic. You've got a play area for the kids, should you have kids. There's bathrooms, and there's not basketball courts or tennis courts here. However, down the street, there are basketball courts, there's tennis courts. There's a really nice swimming pool and nice jacuzzi. Great to soak in the evening, especially as I'm getting older. So enjoy. Let's go to home number 3. Right now we're up at a beautiful home in the Vistas in the groves at Orchard Hills. So the Vistas, you have Bella Vista and Alta Vista. There were large luxury homes built by Toll Brothers. Beautiful home. This is 5,287 square feet. The home is right around 6.6 million. 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. It's a beautiful home and has some luxury, of course, luxury amenities. Now what's neat about these homes up here is they also have, some of them have Catalina Island views. Catalina is an island that was initially owned by the Wrigley family. They used to vacation there. And then you also have some city light views, so very nice. So again, we're up at the Vistas, Alta Vista, Bella Vista, in the Groves, Orchard Hills. As far as amenities, they have in the Groves, they have 2 junior Olympic pools, 2 junior Olympic sized pools. They have playgrounds, they have basketball courts, they have tennis courts. A lot of neat stuff here. And again, that's in Orchard Hills. As far as amenities, of course, I just explained some of the local. We're not far from the North Park shopping. They have an Orchard Hills shopping. So we have one of my favorite Vons. We've talked about it, amazing bakery, winery. We've got lots of restaurants. We've got Zobs, we've got Mexican restaurants, we've got Asian food. What you also have is you're not far from the Spectrum, which is probably 300 plus stores. Huge place. A lot of outdoors, have some alfresco dining. And there you're talking about probably 25, 30 really nice restaurants, including one of my favorite barbecue restaurants called Wood Ranch. Amazing. Our son loves the ribs and baked beans. But it's actually wonderful food. They fly their smoker in from Mesquite, Texas. So if you're a barbecue fan, go see Wood Ranch, the Spectrum. They also have a very large theater complex there. Again, lots of restaurants. We're not far from the Tustin Marketplace. We're not far from the Tustin District. So again, there's a lot of things to do here. Have any questions? Let's talk. That pretty much sums up our tour of Orchard Hills in Irvine, California. We hope you found it helpful. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Irvine, California. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. And you do not want to miss some of our upcoming vlogs, including our tour of the exclusive golf course luxury community of Shady Canyon here in Irvine, California, where homes are selling for up to $50 million. There's some great homes coming up in various communities. Until next time, we hope to be showing you around Irvine, California.